Hello my friends, this is the GME price action. As you can see, it soared from the very beginning of May till present day for more than 280%. And definitely you know that the reason of this quite crazy price action is the appearance of Roaring Kitty. And in today's video I will explain you my thoughts and my expectations from this appearance, and I will explain you my thoughts in regards to GME and AMC price action.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, you know that just a couple of days ago Roaring Kitty published this tweet, and it was just a screenshot of the person who is playing computer games or doing something like this. And for now he published a lot of tweets, a set of tweets. It is the compilation of different videos, and if you watch them one by one, you can definitely find some thoughts and some senses in these videos. And that is why, guys, GME skyrocketed for the last couple of sessions from this point all the way up for more than 150%. And yes, I think something big is happening right now, and we have to be prepared for the upcoming price action. And what should we do if we want to benefit out of this movement? Definitely, first of all, we have to take a closer look on the Roaring Kitty Twitter account, and if he published, or the person who is standing behind this Twitter account will publish something, definitely it might be a huge catalyst for GME first of all, and for the entire stock market in general. And for now, we don't have any confirmation that the Roaring Kitty is still the same person who was behind this Twitter account back in the days when the GME saga happened. And let me show you that for now, if you Google GME and switch to News tab folder, you will see a lot of news that is directly related to this meme stock. And first of all, let me show you this article that was published just 13 hours ago. And it says that GME stock short sellers have already lost $1 billion today as GameStop soars. Is meme stock money officially back? And this is the main question of today's news. Let me go to these bullet points. Shares of GameStop stock rocketed more than 75% today and have seen multiple halts. This move comes amid the return of Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, and his latest post. Short sellers have reportedly already lost $1 billion today based on the move higher in this meme stock. And guys, first of all, I want to pay attention that GME was halted during yesterday's session, I guess 5 or 6 times. And if you take a look right here, you can see that Unusual Whales wrote this 18 hours ago. Breaking: numerous exchanges are reportedly having trouble processing orders due to the GameStop rally. Please list your exchange below if it is having issues. And Mark Basil, if you don't know who this person is, Mark Basil is the head of his own law firm, and he is fighting for the retail community. And he's trying to challenge the wrongdoers on the market. And he published this: when the stock is shorted to oblivion, never a halt. As soon as the squeeze gets put on, multiple halts. Certainly not protecting retail. It's the other way around. Corrupt SF. So, I completely agree with this statement, because during the illegal short selling on different stocks, when it happens, no one stops the trading sessions. So, let me show you how powerful this short squeeze might be. If you take a look on the Google Trends, and if you compare GME and GameStop with the Bitcoin number of mentions, you can see that on May the 12th, it was a huge difference in between these searching terms. But on May 13, we almost hit the same number of mentions according to Google Trends. And this means search term GME and GameStop might even be more popular than the Bitcoin search term, and this means this rally might continue. But guys, let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, guys, if you don't know my background, I have to say that I trade for more than 13 years. And I do this YouTube channel for more than 3 years, and I was covering the GME and AMC saga back in 2021. I basically started around these days. I started my channel around these days. And I have to say that my win rate on different assets might be from 65 all the way up to 80%. This means you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. And for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. So let's continue with the analysis itself. As you can see, we can clearly find out that this asset has several waves, and potentially, if my assumption is correct, we might see this is our first wave, this is our second, somewhere here. This quite interesting, but let's delete this tool for now, and let's start with this news. We can clearly see that the highest volume was on yesterday's session, and potentially it was the first, second, third, fourth, and we are forming the fifth wave. And if it is the case, let me show you in details. If it is the case, we can project how high the fifth wave might go, and to do so we have to pull the fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And guys, what do we have right here? We hit exactly 0.786 fib level, and it is the most common ratio in between third wave and fifth wave. And this means if this asset doesn't break the range of about $45, let's put it this way, we can see the retracement that might land a bit lower. But guys, we have one tricky point. For now, this asset is on pre-market hours, and it is up for more than 37% to this point. And when the regular hours begin, we might see even more pressure, more bullish pressure on this asset that might lead to higher price targets. The next potential price target, the extension of the fifth wave, might be all the way from 1-to-1 extension, and it is roughly $49 mark, through 1.618, and it is $62.43, all the way up to 2.618, $84.04. And if it happens, definitely it will be a huge upside potential for this stock, for more than 100% to the highest price target. But guys, be very cautious. On the regular hours, we might see quite substantial decrease in its price. And if it happens, let's assume that we have completed all 5 waves. In this case, we have to land somewhere lower. And if the range of 44, let's put it this way, $45 holds, we might see the retracement to the ranges at around $30 or even $26.5. And if it moves to these quite low ranges, it will be a perfect re-entry point. And guys, don't be in a hurry, because for now, this asset becomes the most volatile asset, and we might see even more restrictions, even more halts during the trading session. That is why be very cautious and do not go all in. Just be cautious and wait for the retracement in order to catch its next leg to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.